Hello, scholars. This is a video to show you how to access and turn in your first assignment for social studies, which is due on Wednesday, September 9th. And it is the Lunchroom Fight 1 assignment submission. So in order to access it, you're going to go into your Schoology course. It looks the same for every period, so it doesn't matter which class you're in. This is exactly what you're going to see. When you open up our social studies class, you're going to see a folder that says week of September 8th through 11, and then in parentheses, lunchroom fight activity. You're going to click on that folder. Here you have your directions, kind of our week at a glance, everything that we are going to be working on with this activity this week. So you have your lesson essential question, why might people see or remember things differently? And we have our lesson objective. We're going to be closely reading and evaluating sources, particularly to determine credibility based on some specific things that we look for in sources. So the first thing you're going to do is during your independent learning time on Wednesday, or before that if you want, you're going to open and download the fillable PDF titled Lunchroom Fight 1 to your computer, and we'll go through these steps in a second. You're going to read the brief scenario and you're going to answer the questions by typing in the PDF. You're going to save your completed assignment to your social studies folder on your desktop, and then you're going to submit your completed work in the Lunchroom Fight 1 assignment by uploading your completed PDF file for a process grade. Everything else in these directions is what we're going to do on Thursday or Friday, whenever it is you have your next live class. So you don't need to worry about anything for day 2 right now. We're just focused on day 1. So if we go back into our folder, you'll see you have a subfolder for day 1, Wednesday. And if you click on that, you'll see everything that you need to complete the assignment. You have the Lunchroom Fight 1 fillable PDF. That's also available in Spanish. And then we have our assignment here where you're going to be submitting your completed assignment. So to access it, you're going to click on the fillable PDF. And it's going to pull it up in the Schoology window, but this doesn't do you any good because you can't type on it right here, okay? What you have to do is go here to this little download button and make sure you're downloading the PDF to your computer. Once you have done that, you are going to open that PDF, and now I can type right in the form. So you're going to type in the form, you're going to answer all 3 of these questions in complete sentences. And then, and this is the important part, you need to go over here and you need to do a save as, and make sure you're giving it a different name. Even if you just add, completed or finished or something, so that when you go to upload in Schoology, you're making sure that you're actually uploading the one where you typed your answers and not the blank one that you downloaded. Okay? At this point, if you haven't already done this while we were in class together, you want to make sure that on your desktop, you've created a new folder and titled it Social Studies. And I put a 5 after mine because I have a couple different classes, so that's just so I know which class period this is. You're going to open that folder and you're going to save your assignment to that folder. Then, in order to turn it in, you have to go back to Schoology, back into our day 1 folder. You have to open the assignment, and over here you'll have a submit button. Mine doesn't have it because this is the teacher view, but you're going to click on that submit button. It's going to automatically default you to the upload file option. All you have to do is click browse, find the saved assignment in your social studies folder on your desktop, click upload, and click submit. So that is how you're going to access, complete, and submit your first assignment that is due tomorrow, Wednesday, September 9th. If you have any questions or problems, please email me. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in class on Thursday or Friday.